85% of founders reported high stress levels and being close to burnout. Yes, this is the reality, and I have been there. And in this video, we are going through 5 things that you can implement in your daily routines in order to avoid burnout and high stress levels, which are like super common. Hi, I'm Roman. I help startup founders and entrepreneurs unlock traction. In the past year, I failed 2 businesses, and before that, I worked for the fastest growing startup in Europe. So trust me, I've been stressed many times, and then I've learned how to deal with that. Number 1 thing that you need to incorporate, and it's doing sports constantly and then making it as a lifestyle. My sports routine, I'm doing roughly 5 gyms per week, and then 1 or 2 are cardio sessions, and then others are lift and weightlifting and different muscle groups exercises. I also play basketball and snowboard, or just whatever my friends might call me. But either way, I'm staying active, and I'm incorporating these physical activities to be on top of the game. So also what it helps me that, for example, after work day today, I was working, now we're recording the video. After that, I'll hit the gym, and it clears my mind and it helps me reconnect. It is some magical time where I spend with myself that I might not think of anything, or I might think about business, or I might think about something else. So it is me time when I'm active, and it helps me to get through the things. Number 2 is sleep, and actually you might notice that I have this Oura Ring. Works. You can also use something called Whoop, or you can use Apple Watch. I'm a big fan of saying what's measured gets managed. And by only starting to measure your sleep routines, you already will start to improve it. And the reason why I say it's important, because more rest you have, better sleep you have, more capable you are dealing with the situation that are creating stress. So you might be still stressed, but then you'll be on your high performance kind of activity style when you are resolving on those problems and getting less stress in your life. So sleep, number 2, super important. Number 3, and I think this is the most contradictive, is that you need to decide, is this for you? Even before you get to entrepreneurship, even before you start your startup journey or whatever it is, because it is fancy. It is all like glamorous now to have your own business or company or startup, or I'm rising fans. Decide, is this for you? Because you need to know it will be many stressful situations. The life will be difficult. It is a hell of a journey. It is hard. So if you make a decision to pursue this life, then Number 4, work with unknowns. I know a guy, so he was we've been having a meeting with him, and he was pretty stressed, and he was sharing Roman, everything is going alright, this is things, but then I'm hell of a stressed. I was super curious about him. I started to ask questions. I started to figure out what's making him stressed, and what we figure out is that there's a lot of unknown in his life, and then his life is he doesn't understand what is the priorities and what is the scope of things that he's dealing with, and what actually he has this and this and this, and there are problems. And then we've spent a bit of time, we structure it, we prioritized it. Then after that I was like okay, so here you go. And then how you feel now? He's like, wow, thank you so much. Because by removing these unknowns after the session, he was like, okay, I know I need to do 1, 2, 3. This is the highest priority, the second highest priority. And then, we mapped it for the next 2 months. This is his priorities. And then we can review it. He was like, wow, it's such a relief, because when you have these unknowns, those are actually that are making you stressed most. So work with unknowns, remove the unknowns, make crystal clear plans forward, know your priorities and move forward. So then this will help a lot. And then number 5, do not be lonely. And this is something GC Club, I'm founder of the GC Club, so I have a high interest of mentioning, but it actually helps me out. GC Club is a community for founders and entrepreneurs, and I have my own core group there. So these are the people there, my personal board of directors. So, and I can share with them the difficult situations that I'm going through, or the business challenges I have, or even the life challenges I have, right? And we can discuss, and then it makes me feel less lonely as well, because I have people to share and to relate with. How much of actual human-to-human interactions you need. And then people like me, we need like way more. There's some other people I've noticed, they need like only few. But either way, you need those human-to-human interactions and you need this human-to-human support. So GC Club is one of those things that helps me out a lot. So it might help you out. You can go and check it out. Like I have links everywhere. If it's not the thing, just, meet your friends, meet your family, but then the core thing, remember, do not be lonely. These were 5 things that I found the most important and most useful for me, and I hope you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what are other ways that you guys are dealing with stress, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, whatever YouTube people say, and we see you next time. Bye.